How's it going, everybody? This is going to be a different video because, well, it is. As you can see, the room is in a mess. You got pile of clothes here, pile of dirty laundry here, shit on the bed, shit here, and that is all because I'm moving. This is not one of those, I'm getting up and moving like 15 minutes down the road. I'm actually leaving Massachusetts. I'm going to Virginia, and I'm going to be working there full-time, year-round now. And it's going to be different. I'm not sure how I feel about it right now. It's still kind of settling in still, the reality of it all. But I will be making videos of the move down, moving into my own new apartment. I will do everything I can do to make videos, for you guys down there, because it's going to be a new environment. Everything's going to be different there. But for right now, I thought I would make a quick little what the hell is happening in my life video, because next time I would have posted a video would have been, I'm moving down to Virginia. Might as well soften the blow now and make a video of me getting ready to leave. Now, I'm kind of getting everything laid out here, from books I'm going to read to art I'm bringing down. And if you guys have watched my previous videos, you know where I got that one. It's one of my favorite photos that I've gotten. But go ahead and check that out. I will link the video now to where I got that. But if you haven't seen it, go ahead and check it out. Now, we're going to go ahead and try to tackle some of this. Make it more organized, clean it up a little bit, kind of get myself situated. And, ultimately make all of this clutter here nice and organized. So, with a little bit of help from time-lapse, I'm going to try to organize some of this and maybe, get some of this crap into that room when I'm less blurry. I currently have banker's boxes downstairs. These might do the trick. Really? You're gonna interrupt me like that? You good? Okay. I now realized that this banker's box here is a bit too small. It can only really fit that one item, whereas these boxes might be my best friend in this situation. But first, I need to go and do something quickly. I still need to get all of these items on this list here, because these are what I'm missing. If not, I can get some stuff like an ironing board and an iron down in Virginia. So I'm going to go to Home Goods and pick out everything I have here, or most of what I have here, and yeah, kind of just go from there. I got all this stuff, and I was at Target, alone, and no one hit on me. I don't know if I should consider that a win or an absolute loss, because, let's be honest, people who go to Target just mosey around and buy things they don't need. So, single ladies, what the fuck you doing? I'm gonna steal you for just... You need to move. Should be good. Birds! I may have hit the clock on that one. Still reads accurate. Ish. It's not as bad as you think. I may have nudged it a little bit more. Mom, Dad, if you're watching this, I did nothing to the clock. Nothing happened. It's fine. We're good. Really? Paper is going to be your best friend in any situation like this. I know some of you guys are more, oh, we should be environmentally friendly and all that. This is how I'm packing my cups. Trust me, you'll be appreciating it when you do it. Fragile. It's French and Chilean, I think.
Ah, fragile. It must be Italian.
Well, I think that says fragile, honey.
We ended up getting this box full this Fragile box full, and that box full. We have all of this here. That's all kind of taken care of. These books can go in a bag. We have that glass that can go into there. These two things can go maybe into here or just on its own. And a box upstairs. So we have, we have enough to pack my car. It's going to be a wild adventure down. I already got the big box in my car. Now it's time to get Fragile box and the first brown box in to my car. I'm gonna wait for the ironing board and probably make that one of my last ones to go in, seeing how weird and awkward it is. So we're gonna try to at least stuff that car to the brim.
3 days later.
With the final item in the car before we leave and do the morning bag here, we are done packing. This car is full, and so is this car. It might not look like it, but trust me, it is. Now I know for sure my dad might make some slight changes, but it's done, so we're good. Also, this might be the last time I'm using this mirror to vlog, so say goodbye. And also, it's been a bathroom this whole time. Look, shower and shitter. And now, all I have to do is just wake up and leave, which will be a whole new video within itself. So, without further ado, thank you for watching the video to this point. If you have, please smash that subscribe button and hit that like button. Good night, guys. See you tomorrow. Peace.